This game is called Locomotor Dice. You'll need 2 dice. If you don't have any dice, that's okay. There's several ways to make it at home. First, you can print out something like this that we have for you. It's already made. There's even this template that is blank. Or if you don't have a printer, that's okay too. You can also make this at home. Look around your house and see if you can find objects that are cube shaped. Maybe a Tupperware container, maybe a Kleenex box, maybe a food box, or some kind of toy that you have that's in a cube shape. Then you'll need a piece of paper, cut it down the middle and then in thirds, and it will create squares. On those squares, just write down the things that you need, and then you can end up taping them to the edges of the cube. On the 2 dice, one will be for locomotors and one will be for places around your house. Here's what I mean. With the squares that you made, write down some places around your home. Maybe a bed, maybe your front door. You could even say like your kitchen, your TV, your bathroom, just places in your house. On 6 other pieces of paper, write down some different locomotors that you know, like jumping, you could do hopping, leaping, galloping, sliding, and so on. Let me write down a few more. Skip. Now I have 6 locomotor cards and places in my house. Maybe I finished by writing the couch. Now I have 6 places around my house. With the 2 sets made, you can tape them onto your cube, or if you don't have a cube, that's fine. Just use the cards and you can put them in 2 separate piles so that you can draw them out. Here's how the game goes. When you're ready, either roll your dice with the cards on them or just choose the cards, and let's say I choose 1 locomotor and I'm also going to choose 1 place around my house. So this says I have to jump to my front door and back. Once you do that, jump all the way to your front door and then come back and try again. Pull out another locomotor, pull out another place in your house, and it says I have to hop to my bathroom. So I would hop on 1 foot all the way to my bathroom and hop back. Keep trying several times.